sure you get yourself in there with your hat on.
In my video?
Yeah.
Well, I'll have to hand the camera off to you.
You don't want
Okay.
to see me.
Laura, here we are. This is a little boat we're in. We'll see a little tiny boat. And then going back across here, there's Jeff. He's driving the boat. And then look at this place.
Oh, here comes the popo.
Okay, here's the police. See, they're on us.
Yeah.
We're going to probably get in trouble for being in the lake with our hats on.
Unauthorized
Here,
use
Jeff.
of party hats. There you go. Check it out, honey.
Miss you, honey.
See this? That's the popo coming to get us.
All right. Mwah. Bye.